Auto-Obsessed here. We have a ton of Boxing Week specials and offers for you, whether you're an enthusiast, a professional, or you have a vehicle you'd like to maintain, improve, or want to protect your investment. Auto-Obsessed is your detailing superstore, and we have everything you could possibly need to get the job done. We help detailers get the best results. For Boxing Week, we have over 200 items on sale, all of which are listed on our special section on our website. We also have many gift with purchase offers where you get a free gift with a minimum purchase. For more information on our Boxing Week offers, see our special section on our website at autoobsessed.com. And for in-store shopping, be sure to check our holiday hours listed on our website. For local orders, you can also order online and choose in-store pickup to pick up your orders after the holidays. From myself and the whole team at Auto-Obsessed, we'd like to wish you a happy holidays and to thank you for your support in your business.